Tomorrow marks the start of Holi, the vibrant and joyous festival of colors celebrated across India and beyond. It's a time for music, dancing, and most importantly, delicious food. Today we're getting a taste of the celebration with Chef Anjali Pathak, the author of the Indian Family Cookbook. She's here to share the flavors and traditions that make Holi so special. Chef Anjali, it's great to see you again.
Hi, nice to be back.
So it's known as the Festival of Colors. Can you share with us a little bit about this celebration and how it's traditionally observed in India?
So like you mentioned, it is the Festival of Colors. So it marks the beginning of spring. So it's all about new beginnings. Everyone goes out on the street, they throw colored powders on everybody, and then they come home and they celebrate with all their loved ones.
I love this. I actually used to take part in one of these celebrations when I was in college, and it was one of the best days on campus. And for those who may not know, you're the granddaughter of the founder of Pathak's, the leading brand of authentic Indian food. So food has really played an integral role in your life. How does food play a role in the Holi festival?
So after everybody has had loads of fun out on the streets, then they all congregate back at home, and it's all about feasting. So typically it's always about food, it's about getting together, and you just essentially just share all your favorite dishes with all your favorite people.
I like that. I like that a whole lot. So you come from a family with more than 60 years of expertise in Indian cuisine. What makes Indian flavor so special, and how do the spices play a key role?
So spices are the life and soul of every single Indian dish. And typically an Indian home will have a beautiful spice tin. And it's this blend of spices which makes Indian food so unique. Now this, I know when you see it, there's a lot of different colors, which is great for Holi, but obviously not a lot of people know how to use them. So what we've gone and done as a family is we have created really delicious spice blends. We've had over 60 years to perfect them, and now we've got them in jars so you can enjoy them, whether it's in a sauce because it's easy, or whether it's a little bit more scratch cooking if we're going to go down kind of the spice-based route.
I like it. I like both options. And I love that vessel that holds all of the spices. That's gorgeous. You know,
yeah, it's so pretty.
It really is. Use a pretty vessel. It makes the cooking and the eating that much better. Indian food is really a growing trend here in the U.S., and you're going to show us how we can create those flavors at home. With Pathak's, you have two delicious dishes today: butter chicken sandwich pav and butter chicken nachos. Mind my growling stomach.
So I've created a really lovely dish that you can make for Holi, because Holi is all about celebrating. So you're typically out having too much fun to come home and then want to spend ages in the kitchen. So this is a really lovely, think of it as like a little sandwich or a burger. It's using butter chicken, which is a really delicious flavor. So it's tomatoes, it's a few spices, it's lovely and mild. And I've just browned off some chicken, and I have used one of our delicious sauces, which my mum created. And so these are really like family recipes. You're having like my taste of home in your kitchen. I love it. And then you pile that in a little bit of bread that you toasted off, and then you can have that just on the go, people walking around, chatting with each other. So that is a delicious butter chicken pav. Pav is the bread. So that is like the burger. And then I have also got a delicious dish, which hopefully you'll recognize the style of it. It is butter chicken nachos. Everybody loves nachos. So this is just plain tortilla chips. It's the same butter chicken, so just that really delicious flavor piled on top. And then I've got some guacamole. I've got a little bit of sour cream. And then if you want to like spice it up, do you like spicy food? Something a little bit with a bit of heat?
Love, love, love. Wow.
Me too. So I've got some pickled jalapenos, which is just going to go beautifully with that dish. So really easy, and something you can make in advance and then just assemble when you come home, because you're too busy having fun with your friends. You don't want to spend time in the kitchen.
That's right. For those looking to experiment with more Indian cuisine, where can they find inspiration and recipes?
So we have a bunch of recipes, including this one, on pathaksusa.com.
Perfect. Chef Anjali, I got to make me a deal next time we do this segment in person so I can taste your delicious food.
Oh, for sure.
All right. Thank you so much for these delicious recipes, and happy Holi.